Okay, I'm going to play a little bit more with this HoverAir X1 drone and in the follow mode. Okay, now it is in Dolly mode. Let's see what happens there. It's supposed to stay in front of me. I'm going to go this way. Way. Now you're following me. I'm not sure how you're supposed to land the thing. You have to stick your hand under it, but oh, here it comes. Oh, right. I think there is a hand motion or something that you do to tell that you want it to land.